big picture, low to mid 350s remain our long-term price ceiling, an area we need to close above to indicate a good low through the rest of the year with likely continued gains expected into the low 500 region. That could be a 3 to 5 month move. It could take the better part of a year depending, but I do think we would see kind of a protracted rally that potentially by the end of the year could reach 518.19 if, say, by the end of July we could close above 355.86 price ceiling. Until then, this is sellable resistance, and it actually happens to be anticipated now that last Friday we closed above not only rising 2/3 speed line on Thursday, but also on Friday above this structure at 309.57. So this area, 308.23 to 309.57, represents support able to contain weekly selling pressures, and above which the 2 to 3 week time frame remains bullish into the low to mid 350s again. On the way up, we have a 50% upside retracement that can contain intraday, quite possibly daily buying pressures. This is a solid day trade, by the way. A buying, if you're not long already, 308.23 to 309.57 region, anticipating 323.16. Our 1 to 2 week, possibly by the end of this week, target is 337.02, and possibly if tested by Friday or early next week, we could fall away from here for 3 to 5 days. Ultimately, we do think that there's a good chance, after having closed above this speed line, 2 to 3 week sell signal when we closed below it about a week ago, and having closed back above it, as you recall, last Thursday, did neutralize any expectations for downside activity over the following 2 to 3 weeks. It's just that we were then waiting for a settlement above this structure, which occurred the very next day at 309.57, for actually shifting the focus entirely in the bullish column as we continue through the month of July. So from my perspective, I see no good reason to be short Tesla right now if your time horizon is anywhere from 3 to 5 days out to 2 to 3 weeks. Over the next 3 to 5 days, we could actually see 337.02. If we happen to close today, for instance, above 323.16, we should, within 1 to 3 days this week, see 337.02. So 3 to 5 day swing trade, we are bullish up to 337.02. And for you 2 to 3 week swing traders, we are bullish back up into the low to mid 350s, where once again, we could top out into possibly through August trade and fall away again from there. Now for the downside, I think it's just simply closing back below 308.23. Closing back below 308.23 failed buy signal in and of itself. Whatever the case may be over the next day or two, and we close below 303.21, I'm back into the bearish column. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily Triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.